In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. Getting your tax settings right from the beginning will save you a lot of headaches later on, especially when it's time to file returns or generate reports. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through enabling sales tax and then setting up your tax authorities and tax rates inside your Zoho Books account. Let's start by enabling sales tax. First, sign into your Zoho Books account and look for the settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Click on Settings, and from the menu that appears, choose Taxes. This is where all your tax-related configuration will live. Once you're on the Taxes page, you'll see an option labeled Enable Sales Tax. Go ahead and click on that. By enabling sales tax, you're telling Zoho Books to start calculating and tracking tax on your sales and purchases. After you do this, you'll notice that tax fields and drop-downs will become available on your invoices, bills, and other transactions. If you don't enable this, you won't be able to assign taxes at all, so this step is essential. Now that sales tax is turned on, let's set up your tax authorities and tax rates. You'll stay in the same place for this, so again, go to Settings and then Taxes if you navigate it away. We'll begin with tax authorities. Think of a tax authority as the government body or agency that you remit your taxes to, such as a state or federal department. In the Taxes section, click on the Tax Authorities tab. Then select the option that says New Tax Authority. A form will open where you can enter a name for this authority. Use a clear and recognizable name, like the name of the state or the specific tax agency you report to. Once you've entered the name, click Save. You can repeat this process for each separate authority you need to track. Next, you'll create your tax rates. Go to the Tax Rates tab on the same Taxes page. Click on New Tax. Here, you'll enter the name of the tax, such as state sales tax or local sales tax, and then set the percentage rate that applies. If this tax is collected on behalf of one of the authorities you created earlier, link it to that tax authority using the drop-down in this form. When everything looks correct, click Save. Once your authorities and rates are set up, you'll be able to apply these taxes to your invoices, estimates, and bills, and Zoho Books will automatically calculate the correct amounts for you.